street food or water food. I don't know how you can call it. Guide, she just told us that she's been here for the last 20 years. I think this is the 5th time when we stopped just to remove the plastic from our propeller. Good morning and welcome to Mekong Delta here in Vietnam. The second largest delta in the world, and we are right now in the floating market of Chiang Rai.
It's early in the morning and we are now in the Mekong Delta, going to explore a little bit around here, check out the market and basically have a good time in the Delta. This place is like 2 hours away from Saigon and you can come here by bus. We took a sleeper bus, which was an interesting experience because we never had this kind of a bus ride before ever in Vietnam, and it's a very nice and rustic looking homestay. You have multiple bamboo houses where you can stay the night. Each house has Wi-Fi, electricity, fan, a bed with a mosquito net, and pretty much affordable. It's around $12 per night for our big room with 3 beds inside. And the people here are very friendly and they can organize tours for you. They give you food, they give you wine, they give you fine dining experience of the Mekong Delta, and they are very hospitable and very friendly and show you a good time.
We're in the second largest delta in the world on the Mekong River here in Vietnam, and we're in the floating market of Chiang Rai, and we are trying to see what people are selling here, how this huge market goes on, and how big it is, what kind of products they are selling. It's 6 a.m. Yeah, we're still gonna have some things to see here. Some tourists, not that much, because it's very early also in the morning and it's a Monday, which is I think a very good time to come to the market instead of a weekend. But it's just so curious to see how different this is, for example, or like if you can spot any differences between the deltas we've been before too. Like for example, we've been in Bangladesh in the Ganges Brahmaputra Delta, and how it is compared to the market here. So there you had the guava floating market. Here it is an all products kind of a market situated on a big large river, the large river of Mekong. All these people selling their pineapples or their watermelon, and the delta is very, very popular and mostly known as the rice bowl of Vietnam. How do you identify from a distance what kind of products there are to sell? Like what kind of products you can find on each boat? Well, okay, so there's a stick on every boat, and that stick holds the product that's for sale. So you can spot them from a distance in case you need any kind of information on where do I need to find my potatoes from. So you're gonna look at everyone's sticks here and everyone's boats and sticks, and you're gonna find out a potato and go and charge towards that boat before other customers come in. Really interesting, very dynamic environment here. Deep water, 10 meters deep water. Big boats, smaller boats, people that make a living from these boats. This is so interesting. In case you feel like lazy and you don't want to move a lot through these murky waters, then you signal that boat with the product to come to you, and they're gonna come to you and sell you what they have available. So I think this is interesting. It's very dynamic, like compared to going to a traditional market where you yourself have to go to every stall and buy the stuff from. Then here you can signal the vendor, and they're gonna come here and just hand you over the product. That's really cool. Hi, morning.
Hello. And what you would like to drink?
Drink? Coffee?
Coffee, coffee, please.
Yeah.
Hot coffee.
Hot coffee.
With about sugar?
No, for me, no sugar, no milk. Black.
A little bit sugar.
Yes,
And-
yes. Same.
Okay.
Coffee, milk.
Oh, this looks nice.
So rice noodle soup is the most popular food in the Delta?
Mekong Delta, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Is it a breakfast food or a normal
Yeah.
food?
It's very popular.
Very good. Hit me.
Yeah. You guys want fruit? Oh, jackfruit. Thank you. Is it
very
good?
Yep.
Okay. You want to get some?
How much is the bag?
I don't know. How much? Chewy.
Chewy. 10,000.
Okay.
60,000.
60,000.
What? 60,000.
60,000. Okay. $2. Not bad.
You want to get that?
Yeah, I want to get that.
For the nice lady here. Taking some morning selfie.
Hey, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dumplings. Wow. Home cooked food too. Dumplings. Thank you. Oh wow. Thank you. Are you okay? So this is how you're gonna have. Thank you. So this is how you're having like hot coffee on the Mekong Delta, Vietnamese coffee on the Mekong Delta here.
Good stuff.
Thank you.
Gamma. Gamma, nice lady with the hat. Yes.
And there you're buying your soup.
This is rice noodle soup, but in Vietnam we say hủ tiếu.
Hold you?
Old you.
Yeah.
Okay. Old you. Very good.
Tasty?
Yes. Sweet. A little bit.
Thank you. It has meat and what else?
And veggies.
Good.
And the noodles.
So this is our breakfast in the market in the
It's very
Mekong.
hot. On the
Okay.
boat.
On the
Breakfast
boat.
on the boat.
This is so cool.
Dango. Very good. I still don't know how to say that, but well.
Very nice. We are guide. She just told us that she is the kid here in the floating market, and she's been here for the last 20 years. That's really nice. Tung Bai? Bai? Your name? Okay, nice to meet you. I'm Gigi. Yeah. Thanks. That's so sweet. Nice to meet you. Bye. Tip of every boat, you have eyes that are fish eyes
Yeah.
drawn on the boat. And this is what?
Maybe it's about the spirit because they think that's when the draw is like nice. The boat cannot be sick.
And now we arrived at the moment where we have to maneuver ourselves from one boat onto the next boat. Hello, nice to meet you. Yep. And this boat has pineapples. Okay.
The sitting area on this super tiny small chair.
Sitting.
Yeah.
And we have
You mean
the
dunker?
pineapple.
You mean dunker?
Danke. Danke. Yeah.
Get it on and remove it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Everything is edible.
Yeah.
Thank you. That's what I wanted to hear.
Đập này
Ai
tốt
ra đây
đi,
là
đập
lớn.
thảo nha.
I tried pineapple, I think in Malaysia. It was really interesting. But this is it tastes different. And especially with the salt and chili combo. Really yummy.
Yeah, because you know the chilies it is banned like the country. So Vietnamese chilies it is different with another country.
Yes, I know. Thailand chili is very strong and in your face.
Yeah,
Vietnamese chili is more mellow.
yeah, this will make the special flavor.
Yes, I'm starting to like the Vietnamese food and the Vietnamese chilies and the Vietnamese lifestyle. Pretty chill. Sitting on a boat, having a pineapple, relaxing, enjoying the nice tranquility of engine sounds from the boats. And yeah. And just like that, through the miracle of time, we have arrived back on land with our feet on solid ground. And we're going with our nice friend to see how noodles are made.
This is a dry sheet.
1, 2, and 3. Catch it. No color by rice.
This
Yeah.
original color. And then
And
this
it's made by turmeric.
Like turmeric.
The butterfly bee flower.
Wow, this is made out of flower.
Yeah. And this pandan leaf.
Pandan?
Pandan leaf.
Pandan leaf. Oh, I know pandan leaf.
Yeah.
Okay.
You can smell.
Yes, it has this beautiful. Yes, the pandan. It smells like chindol.
Yeah, it smells like Malaysia.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hi.
Madam, you can make.
Oh, the smell
Okay.
smells so beautiful. Careful.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks. Whoa.
Now I have my coffee starting kit from Vietnam. Thank you.
Thank you.
Made by hand. This one, I don't know.
You can guess.
If he's not a good boy.
I don't know.
Like this to make noise and mess.
Oh, I see.
This looks like a very. What?
No, it's for message.
Oh, so massage.
Like me, like this.
Okay.
That's why it's important to keep the rivers clean.
We are stuck. Pomelo skin.
Yeah.
Okay. Pomelo skin. Very good. We are now inside of a fruit market. It's called
Oh yeah.
the Duyung
Oh yeah.
orange. Thank you. Yudung Duyung. Duyung.
Duyung garden.
Duyung garden. Yes, Duyung garden.
I mean,
And we're walking down this kind of wooden plank board kind of a thing. And you have here a lot of small little gardens arranged. You have traditional houses. You have people giving you pomelo skin and orange skin and small little bridges like this crossing to the other side through the canals, through the jungle,
pineapple tree.
and pineapple trees and coconuts and pineapples. Whee, baby pineapple. Interesting, very peaceful little garden.
The bridge of the people long time ago. When they
Okay.
cross.
Yes, I seen something like this in Bangladesh.
Yeah. This is
Still being used.
we say monkey bridge.
Monkey bridge. Small little boats.
Just get off.
Is like this, as you can see.
Yeah.
You have small little trees and you have loofahs hanging on the side. You have jackfruit. Very nice. Peaceful and tranquil. Not so many tourists coming here. We are the only foreigners in this whole garden. A lot of other locals are here because apparently this is like a popular spot. The birdhouse.
And the birdhouse, guys, if you love bird nest, in case you don't remember it from Malaysia, they have birdhouses too here in Vietnam.
Yeah, I hear the swivelet mating calls coming from the birdhouse. And after a nice and quiet, enjoying walk through the garden here, it's time for us to have some fruit from this nice garden.
Okay guys, so we got a plate of fruit. This is the Vietnamese
Remove the
strawberry, we
skin,
have
yeah.
watermelon, we have
remove
jackfruit,
the
we
seed
have
inside.
guava, and rambutan. So this one is the Vietnamese strawberry, so check it out. Oh wow, how do I eat this one?
Remove the skin, seed inside.
I just see. This is weird. A bit sour. Sour. Yeah. Sour. It's a bit sour.
And the consistency
White.
is more,
White guava.
the sourness hit me in the head. It's more mushy and
Interesting.
squishy and sour. Very sour.
Nice. Oh, the fruit actually looks like a mangosteen. It's inside. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so from a water market, now we're on the land market. There are different kind of markets here in Vietnam, and it's very interesting because we have a lot of variety and a lot of option in both of them. Now on the land market, in the traditional Vietnamese land market, we have flowers, we have a lot of fruit,
But
we
this-
have veggies,
This
but
flower not for giving.
not for giving, they're for offering at the
Offering.
temple
Yeah, for the
Yes.
ancestor.
ancestors. So similar to Hinduism, guys. Of course, you know, probably like Vietnam is probably 80% Buddhism. They share somehow the same root, so there are a lot of similarities as well. Like these flowers that you just saw now, it remind me of the flowers that we saw in India, where everybody's making like garlands and they're offering them to the temple. In this case, they're offering them to the ancestors. And something very similar to the Chinese culture. Also, they have like these offerings where people burn the paper money or the paper clothes. And I think this is mostly like a shared kind of a traditional line between China and like other Buddhist countries, Vietnam in this case. This is pretty interesting, right? This market has a little bit more offer, I think, than the floating market. Here you have electronics as well, so this is very interesting. A lot of busy stalls here. It's a lot of traffic, of course, because we have... Hi! Oh, that's so good. Okay, noisy puppies.
Water apple or apple water.
Thank you. Thank you. Mangosteen, the queen of fruit, and durian there, the king and the queen of fruit. I think this is the 5th time when we stopped just to remove the plastic from our propeller. Let's do something about it. Yeah, you have to be aware of this when you come and visit Mekong Delta. Now we're exiting our accommodation because we're going towards Saigon, the wonderful city, straight from the Mekong Delta, back into the craze of civilization.
Thank you for watching our video. I hope you had an amazing time in the Delta with us. Don't forget to share, like and subscribe. And this is Michael and Gigi coming to you from Vietnam. See you in the next one.
See you.
Bye bye.